Imagine an AI company that grows from $500 million to $9 billion in just a year, now proposing a game-changing merger with TikTok US. But here's the twist: TikTok could go dark in America if it doesn't play its cards right. What's really at stake here? The tech world is buzzing with news that could redefine the future of artificial intelligence and social media. Over the weekend, Perplexity AI, a fast-rising startup in the world of AI-assisted search, made a bold move. It officially submitted a merger proposal to ByteDance, the parent company of TikTok. Why is this such a big deal? Well, the proposal isn't just about a simple acquisition or takeover. It's much more ambitious. Perplexity AI is pushing to create an entirely new entity, one that merges its AI-driven search engine capabilities with TikTok US's massive user base and the backing of new investors. Here's how the deal would work. ByteDance's existing investors get to retain their stakes in TikTok, while Perplexity AI brings its cutting-edge technology to the table. The idea? To enhance TikTok's algorithm with AI-driven search tools that could revolutionize how users discover and consume content. This collaboration could mean personalized recommendations like never before. Imagine AI not just suggesting videos you might like, but predicting your preferences based on search patterns, even answering your questions directly within the app. It's an innovation that could put TikTok miles ahead of its competition. But this isn't just about making TikTok smarter. It's also about Perplexity's strategy to expand beyond search. Starting 2024, with a valuation of $500 million, the company ended the year at a staggering $9 billion. Its rise is a testament to the exploding interest in generative AI technology, but also a sign of how serious it is about competing with industry giants like Google and OpenAI. Let's step back for a moment. Why does this merger matter? At its core, this is about how we access information and engage with content online. Search engines powered by AI, like Perplexity and OpenAI's chatgpt, are challenging Google's dominance. Google's response? To roll out AI-powered quick summaries at the top of search results. Now, with TikTok in its corner, Perplexity AI could take this competition to the next level by integrating its search capabilities into a platform with over 150 million active US users. Perplexity isn't just competing, it's rewriting the rules of engagement in tech. But there's another layer to this story: TikTok's precarious position in the US. For years, TikTok has faced scrutiny over data privacy concerns. In fact, just this Sunday, the app announced that it might have to go dark in the US unless its regulatory issues with the Biden administration are resolved. Here's where things get even more complicated. President-elect Donald Trump has stepped into the conversation, stating over the weekend that he's willing to grant TikTok 90 additional days to sort out its situation. This extension could give ByteDance just enough breathing room to consider Perplexity's proposal. In response, TikTok's CEO, Shou Chu, released a video thanking Trump for his willingness to work on a solution. He reassured users that TikTok is committed to staying in the US. Meanwhile, Perplexity AI's confidence in its bid lies in one key factor: it's proposing a merger, not a sale. ByteDance has made it clear in the past that it does not intend to sell TikTok US outright. By positioning itself as a partner rather than a buyer, Perplexity believes it can offer ByteDance the best of both worlds. Of course, deals like this come down to numbers. Insiders estimate TikTok US could be valued at well north of $50 billion. But the final valuation will depend on which ByteDance shareholders decide to stay and which ones choose to cash out. For Perplexity AI, this isn't just a financial investment, it's a chance to transform its business model. By adding video content and expanding its reach to TikTok's massive audience, it could evolve into a tech giant that bridges search, AI, and social media. So, what happens now? While the deal could take months to finalize, one thing is certain: this proposal could redefine the tech landscape. It's a bold move that shows how AI isn't just about search engines anymore. It's about reshaping how we connect, learn, and entertain ourselves. Will Perplexity AI and TikTok create a groundbreaking collaboration? Or will the challenges, regulatory, political, and financial, prove too big to overcome? Only time will tell. So, if you are curious about how Flux Pro is revolutionizing creativity and reshaping AI, tap the video on your screen now to uncover the future.